In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your co-curricular transcript and where to find key resource materials related to the co-curricular transcript. Let's start with the co-curricular transcript guide. To locate this guide, start at the Registrar's page and click on the co-curricular transcript link in the left-hand navigation column. You'll find the co-curricular transcript guide link here. The co-curricular transcript guide explains how you will use your co-curricular transcript at different stages of your Augustana experience. You'll access your co-curricular transcript through Arches. Log into Arches using your Augustana username and password. Look for the Experiential Learning menu on the lower right portion of the screen. To access your co-curricular transcript, click on My Co-Curricular Transcript. Fill in your birth date and your student ID or your Augustana username. You will then see your co-curricular transcript. If you have questions about what appears on your co-curricular transcript, return to the co-curricular transcript information page. The co-curricular transcript information page lists the office to contact regarding the different types of activities highlighted on the co-curricular transcript. If you want to add volunteer activities or involvement in campus groups to your co-curricular transcript, return to the Experiential Learning menu on Arches. Click on Track My College Involvement to add student groups to your transcript. Use the pull-down menu to select the group and then hit Submit. To add volunteer hours, click on Track My Volunteering and provide the requested information. Finally, you'll notice that the Augustana College student learning outcomes appear at the end of your co-curricular transcript. Use the student learning outcomes as a guide to identify skills you are building in your co-curricular activities. Try to identify at least one skill set you're building within each entry listed on your co-curricular transcript.